So hi, we are back on the 1PYQ app, and particularly on this app, we'll be doing the calculation drills. Okay, so here I click on the calculation drills area. If this goes away, you can, yep, this is here. So we'll be doing the fast operations today, and we'll be doing a lot of verbal work today. Okay, we're going to do a lot of verbal work today. So you won't see many things being written over here. For every two-digit addition that we've talked about, we've said that the tens place should be added first, and then the carry and the ones place should be thought of. Here, 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 means 130. 130 plus 10 means 140. So 140 is the answer. Similarly, this is 10 and 11. 111. So it's going to be triple 1. Similarly, 9 plus 16 or 106. 90 plus 16. It's 106. Okay. So this is 2 plus 10. This is 30. This is 6 plus 10. This is 70. This is 6 plus 17, which is 77. This is 14 plus 12 or 142 or 130, 152, right? 152. Similarly, this is 7 plus 10. This is 80. This is 6 plus 11. This is 71. This is 11 plus 16, uh, which is 126. This is 5 plus 14. This is 64, not 65. This is 64. This is 9 plus 8, 98. This is 10 plus 15, 115. This is 12 plus, what's it going to be? This is going to be 12 plus 11. So this is 131. Similarly, this is 10 or 100 plus 9, 109. This is 180 plus 13, 193. Similarly, 100 plus 7, 107. This is 15. This is 15 plus 12 or 150 plus 12. That's going to be 162. Similarly, 7 plus 7 is going to be 77. 11 or 110. 110 plus 6 is 116. 7 plus 70 plus 13. 70 plus 13, it's going to be 83. 11 plus 9, it's 119. 6 plus 14 or 60 plus 14 is going to be 74. 12 plus 9, it's going to be 129. And so on and so forth. Okay, this is simply 52. Let's move to something different. This is 58. Yeah, moving back to some other areas. We did 26 questions over here. Let's do a little bit of word operations, square roots, or maybe squares, or maybe let's do a little bit of table drills. Table drills are going to be really fun. Okay, we'll be going with the easy ones today. Okay, we'll be going with the easy ones today, and this is how we start off. 42 into 2 is nothing but 84. I mistakenly pressed 83. This is going to be 99. Similarly, this is going to be 72. This is going to be 14 threes are 42. This is going to be 106. This is going to be 198. This is going to be 3 8s are 24, and this is going to be 70. Just a second, 3 8s are 24. This is going to be 84. 84. It's in the table of 18. 18 6 sorry, 14 6. This is going to be 166. This is going to be 17 threes are 51. This is going to be 240 plus 6, 246. Okay, 240 plus 6, 246. Okay, we did a timed task. That's why it gave us only 45 seconds to do it. Okay, around 30 to 40 seconds to do it. Okay, yeah, going back, we're gonna again choose the tables drill and have a practice session. Okay, this is gonna give us a lot of room to explore more things. Let's learn the table of 5 only. 5 8s are 40, so this is 410. 5 4s are 20, 230. Okay, just try to see how I split things up. 5 7s are 35. 350 plus 25 is going to be 375. So 5 7s are 35. 350. 350 plus 5 is 355. 5 5s are 25. 250 plus 40 is gonna be 290. 5 9s are 45. 450 plus 20 is 470. 16 5s is 80. And this is nothing but 50. This is 110. And here it's gonna be 450 plus 80, so this is gonna be 490. There is another very sleek way of doing this. Just a second. There's another very sleek way of doing this, and yeah. So that sleek way is that you divide the number which is next to 5 by 2. Okay, so this is nothing but 42. So and put a 0 at it at the end as well. So this is gonna be sorry, 275. Further, this is gonna be 152, right? 15 no 155 5, yeah, 155. It's gonna be 155. Similarly, it's gonna be 230 here, and it's gonna be 300 plus 45, 345. So that's pretty much it. So now I want you guys to not use your pen and do all the calculations directly on your mobile phone. Okay, do all the calculations on your mobile phone. That's how it will work. 5. Okay, this is going to be 205. Okay, good enough. So I'll see you next time. This session was particularly verbal in nature, and I also want you to do a lot of calculations mentally. Okay, thank you.